Okay, so this is interior and exterior angles of polygons. The notes continued. This will be on the next page, and the next page and the page before this will be the same title, interior and exterior angles of a polygon. Alright, so formula review. We're going to review the formulas that we have learned. So S, so the sum of interior angles of a polygon, S equals the number of sides in minus 2 times 180. Okay, interior angle of a regular polygon, that's the sum of all of the angles, or the sum of all the interior angles divided by the number of sides. Okay, sum of exterior angles of a polygon, that's always 360 degrees. Exterior angle of a regular polygon, we'll take the sum of the exterior, which is 360, and divide it by the number of sides in. Okay, the number of sides of a regular pentagon, 360 divided by the exterior angle. So like 360 divided by 60 degrees would give me the number of sides. Okay, looking at number 1. What is the sum of measures of the interior angle of a pentagon? So we're going to take the sum formula. S equals, pentagon has 5 sides, 5 minus 2 times 180. Work this out in your calculator. 540 degrees. What is sum of the measures of an interior angle of a 27gon? Sum equals 27 minus 2 times 180 degrees. Work it out in the calculator. 4,500 degrees. Number 3. What is the sum of each interior angle of a regular octagon? So each angle, regular, means they're all going to be the same size. The angles will all be the same size as well. So sum equals, octagon has 8 sides, 8 minus 2 times 180. Work that out, we get 1,080. But I want to know the sum of each angle. So I take 1,080. So right here, interior angle of a regular polygon. Take the sum divided by the number of sides. Wait, why did I put 1,080? Forgot the other 0. Divide it by 8, because there's 8 sides. 135 degrees for each interior angle. Okay, next example, what is the measure of each interior angle of a regular 20gon? Sum equals 20 minus 2 times 180. Calculate it out, 3,240. Take that sum, 3,240, divide it by the number of sides, which is 20, get 162 degrees. Okay, 5 angles of a hexagon measure. 119, 129, da 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 da. What is the measure of the 6th angle? Okay, so what I'm going to want to do here is use my formula to find out the sum of all of the angles. So a hexagon has 6 sides. Sum equals 6 minus 2 times 180. You should get 720 degrees. Now I want to add all of these up to find out how much these add up to. I get 586. So if I take 720 and subtract 586, because this is 5 of the angles, 5 of the 6 angles, I'll find out what the difference is for the last angle. So 720 degrees minus 586 degrees, get 134 degrees for that missing angle. Okay, number 6. The sum of the interior angles of a polygon is 1,620. How many sides does a polygon have? So I'm going to solve for n because I know what the sum is. I know what s is, but I don't know what n is. So 1,620 equals n minus 2 times 180. So our initial first step is we want to distribute. You can also skip that step by just dividing by 180 on both sides. And if you divide by 180 on both sides, you get 9 equals n minus 2. So add 2 to both sides. I get n equals 11, so there's 11 sides in that figure. Sum of the interior angles of a polygon is 3,960. How many sides does it have? So the same idea, 3,960 equals n minus 2 times 180. Again, you can divide by 180. The reason I'm saying this, if you distribute, you're going to have to divide it out, divide 180 out anyways. So let's just skipping a step here, saving some time. I get 22. Add 2 to both sides. I get n equals 24. What is the sum of the measures of the exterior angles of a non-gon? 360 degrees. My formula up here. Okay, what is the measure of each exterior angle of a 20-gon? Well, 20-gon has 20 sides, so each angle, does this say regular? And we're going to assume it's a regular. So 360 degrees divided by the number of sides, well, there's 20 sides. Because remember, 360 is the sum of all the exterior angles, divided by the number of sides, and we get 18 degrees. So exterior angles of a regular polygon. 360 divided by n. Back to the next page. I'm going to speed these two up. If the exterior angle of a regular polygon measures 9 degrees, how many sides does the polygon have? So that's the same formula, but I'm going reverse. 360 over n equals 9 degrees. So now we're going to solve for n. Multiply by n on both sides. I'll get 9n equals 360. Divide by n, or divide by 9 on both sides. Get n equals 40. 40 sides. Number 11. The interior angle of a regular polygon measures 108 degrees. How many sides does the regular polygon have? Okay, so 360 divided by n equals 72. Now where did I get 72? That is supplementary to 108. So if I know that each interior angle is 108, the exterior angle is 72. So if each exterior angle is 72, 360 divided by n would equal 72. That's the exterior angles of a regular polygon formula over here. Solve for n. So I multiply n on both sides. I get 360 equals 72n. Divide by 72 on both sides. Get n equals 5. Okay. Find the value of x. So if I add all of these up, I get 244. They're all supposed to, all of the interior should add up to 360. So 360 minus 244 is 116 degrees. So that would be x. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count the number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This has 8 sides. So the sum should all be 900 for an octagon. Minus 806 if I add all of those up. That means that missing angle is going to be 94 degrees. It's the same idea here. You add up and you set it equal to what it should be. So all of these I can set equal to 360.